Hi everyone, welcome back to Driving TV. Struggling with reversing your car? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 common reversing mistakes that many drivers make and provide you with essential tips on how to avoid them. Whether you're preparing for your driver test or just want to improve your reversing skill, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Correct reversing techniques. First, let's start by showing you the correct way to reverse. Proper reversing involves more than just moving the car backwards. It's about precision and awareness. Here's how it should look. As you start reversing, make sure that you're checking your mirrors and looking over your shoulder. Maintain a slow, controlled speed to give yourself a lot of time to react to any obstacles or changes in your surroundings. Notice how I'm keeping the steering wheel steady and making smooth adjustments. This helps in maintaining control of the vehicle and ensures that you're positioned correctly. Common mistake number 1, not checking blind spots. One of the most common mistakes while reversing is not checking your blind spots. Many drivers rely solely on mirrors or cameras and neglect to look over their shoulders. This can lead to missing important visual cues. To avoid this mistake, always check your blind spots before starting reversing. So before you even start, you check. Turn your head to look out of the rear side windows and make sure there are no pedestrians, cyclists, or other vehicles in your path. Mistake number 2. Incorrect use of mirrors. Another frequent issue is incorrect use of mirrors. Sometimes mirrors are not adjusted properly, or drivers don't use them effectively. Make sure that your mirrors are set up correctly before you start reversing. Adjust them so you have a clear view of the rear and sides of your vehicle. As you reverse continuously, check your mirrors to stay aware of your surroundings. This helps in spotting any obstacles or approaching vehicles. Mistake number 3, reversing too fast or too slowly. Reversing at the wrong speed is a common mistake. Driving too fast can reduce your reaction time and increase the risk of accidents, while reversing too slowly can lead to a loss of control. Maintain a controlled, moderate speed when reversing. This is the key. It allows you to respond quickly to any unexpected situation while keeping the vehicle steady. Practice finding the right balance to improve your reversing skills. Common mistake number 4 is over-relying on reversing cameras and sensors. Modern vehicles come equipped with reversing cameras and sensors, yes, but over-relying on these features can be problematic. They are helpful, but they don't replace the need for traditional checks. They shouldn't. So use your reversing camera and sensors as an additional tool, but don't forget to check your mirrors and blind spots yourself. Combining all of these methods is going to make it 100% sure that you will reverse safely and reduce the risk of accidents. Common mistake 5, poor vehicle positioning. This is the last one. So poor vehicle positioning can lead to mistakes while reversing. Misalignment with the parking spot or obstacle can make the maneuver super hard, more difficult, and unsafe. So make sure that you're properly aligned with the parking spot or space before you start reversing. Adjust your position if it is needed and make smooth, controlled movements to get into the correct position. To summarize, here are the key takeaways to avoid reversing mistakes. Always check your blind spots before reversing. Make sure that your mirrors are properly adjusted and used effectively. Maintain a controlled speed while reversing. Use your reversing camera and sensors as supplementary tools, not as the sole method. Align your vehicle correctly with the parking spot or space before reversing. Practicing these techniques will help you avoid common mistakes and improve your reversing skills for sure. That is it for today's video on avoiding common reversing mistakes. I hope you found these tips helpful. And if you have any questions or additional tips, leave them in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Driving TV for more driving tutorials and tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Remember guys, each and everything that we have spoken about today, I have a video tutorial for. So if you want to learn or watch something more in detail, make sure to check Driving TV and look for all these videos as well as practice tests that will test your knowledge. With all that being said, I hope you guys learned a lot today and loved this video. Hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Safe driving, and I will definitely see you on our next video tutorial.